Welcome to Roam Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a look at 3, a UK mobile network provider, found at 3.co.uk. Navigating their website, you'll discover a range of options for mobile phones, eSIM-only deals, broadband plans, and even Apple products. Whether you're after the latest iPhone or a budget-friendly Android, 3 seems to have a device to suit most needs and budgets. They also offer a variety of pay monthly and pay-as-you-go eSIM card options, giving customers flexibility in their mobile service. For those seeking home internet, 3 provides broadband services with various speed and data allowance options. It's worth exploring their website to see what packages best align with your household's internet usage. They also offer a range of mobile broadband solutions, including dongles and mobile Wi-Fi hotspots, which can be helpful for staying connected on the go. Interestingly, 3 has partnered with Apple, allowing customers to purchase iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches directly through their site. This provides a convenient one-stop shop for acquiring both your mobile device and your service plan. It's clear that 3 aims to cater to a wide range of customer needs by offering a comprehensive selection of products and services. Remember to check their website for the most up-to-date information on their offerings, as deals and availability can change. 3 appears to be a versatile provider in the UK telecom market, offering something for everyone from basic mobile service to advanced devices and home internet. They even feature 5G coverage in selected areas, so be sure to check if you're within a 5G zone to take advantage of faster speeds. Exploring their website further can provide a clearer picture of the specific details of their plans and pricing.